Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. Very first thing, thank you so much for letting my channel cross 300 subscribers. Thanks a lot. I'm very grateful for this. We crossed 300 subscribers. Our next goal is to cross 500 subscribers. Also on my community, I posted a question that should I do a Q&A video in which I will read your comments and answer them. Most of people were saying yes. I mean, it's 100% yes. I know votes are quite less, but again, it is yes. So I was like, yes, let's do Q&A. So welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a Q&A session. In this video, I'm going to talk about most of your comments, and I know most of your comments are about the battery draining. So let's begin your comments. So very first comment is over here. Is there a release date for the official iOS 17.3? No, there is no release date for now. We are expecting to see iOS 17.3 beta 2 in the second week of January, maybe 8th, 9th or 10th of January. So I don't know how many betas will be there of iOS 17.3, but there is no official date for the public release. I think it's gonna take more around 2 months at least for the public update of iOS 17.3 to come out. So if you're already running iOS 17.3 beta 1 and you are facing problems, what you can do is you can downgrade to the signed iOS version, and for that video is available on my channel. Go and search that video. Well, let's go and read the next comment. So here is the next comment. In terms of battery, do you think we should stay on 17.2.1 or upgrade to iOS 17.3 beta 1? Thank you. No, you should. Yes, I think you should stay on iOS 17.2.1. Do not upgrade to the iOS 17.3 because it's just a first beta, and most of the time first beta contains lots of bugs. So I will always prefer to use the public update, and I will suggest you to use the public update and stay on the iOS 17.2.1. Now let's move to the next question. That is, brother, I'm using 15. I have followed all your tips. Still, it is draining 15 to 20%. So most of the people were talking about that their phone is draining overnight from around 15 to 20%. Now it can be problem with your background services, that what services basically you are using. What you need to do is you need to check out your phone stats properly and see what thing is taking your battery, what feature, app or service is consuming your battery. In my case, as you can see, there's nothing that consumes battery at the background. So you can also text me at the Twitter at the rate iOS, the iOS guy 101. The link is also given in the description. We can talk further about this, but I'm not seeing any issue with the battery draining overnight. But still, if you are facing issue, just tweet me out. We can talk over there and we can see why this is happening. Moving to the next question over here. I also using iPhone 14. Any possible way to downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16 unsigned version? No, there is no way to downgrade to the unsigned version. That is not possible. Apple will never allow this to happen. So if you're running iOS 17, maybe 17.2 or anything, you cannot go to unsigned version. You can only downgrade to the signed version. So this is what it is. Moving to the next question. iPhone 14 battery health dropped 2% in just 3 days after upgrading to the 17.2.1. Well, battery health drop is actually a really big issue. It can be natural because these are lithium-ion batteries. Their drop is kind of a natural. But I did a whole video about this, that maybe if you're like applying all tips and tricks and still battery health is dropping, maybe electricity fluctuation can be the reason. So there is a video available on my channel. I did it a couple of days ago, maybe I think I did it last night, so you can check that video and you will find the answer. But again, if you're still having issues, just hit me on Twitter at the rate the iOS guy 101. Moving to the next question over here. I have 14 plus, 3 months older, still 100% battery health, using for gaming, calling only, charger bought from Apple Store. So yeah, this is really good. This can be a very useful for you people. So that is why I added this one. Now this person is using original Apple charger that he bought from the Apple Store, and he haven't faced any battery health dropped. So if you maybe you are using a fake charger, maybe you are using a copy charger, so it is very important to buy a charger from the actual Apple store. That will help you a lot. Now let's move to the next question over here. Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity is still horrible. No change, and in fact even worse. I really hope Apple fixes these issues very soon since they paused iOS 18. Uh, that is true. I'm also facing Wi-Fi connectivity issues. They are really annoying. It just disconnected sometimes. I don't know why it is happening, and I'm again hoping, just like you are hoping, that Apple may fix those issues related to the Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity. And whenever Apple did fix these issues, I'm definitely going to share this on my channel. Now, moving to the next comment. Battery life on iOS 17.2.1 on iPhone 15 Pro is amazing. Now, many people were talking about that on the 17.2.1 running iPhone 15 Pro, their battery life is really bad, but most of people are also enjoying a really good battery time. It is because of maybe you are using a different type of a charger. So always use original chargers, MFI cables. MFI stand for made for iPhone. So these things will help to give you even much battery life. Moving to the next question. Do you force close your apps, and what brightness level do you use most of the day when you use 17.2.1? No, I never force close my apps. As you can see, the apps are open. Obviously, I cannot show you. Most of the apps are personal, but I never forced close my apps. Also, my brightness level is set on automatic, so it kept changes every time. If I go out, it is different. If I'm inside my room, it is different. Moving to the next question. iOS guys, I need help. Every time I switch it on my iPhone, charge battery drop for every time I switch off my phone. Okay, please tell me what to do and try to switch off your phone and see if okay. What he's trying to say is saying that whenever he switch off phone and switch on the phone again, the battery drops. Now this is actually very normal. Whenever you switch off the phone and switch on it again, everything reboots again, and rebooting can take your bit of a battery, maybe 2-3%. So this is a completely normal for me, and I think it is normal for you, but it is like dropping like a lot, maybe like 10 to 15%, then it can be actually a problem. Moving to the last but not the least question. iPhone with its battery drain issues after updates, and the fixes are getting ridiculous. Tired of this, I switched to Android. So yeah, most of the people are facing battery draining issues, other bugs, and this person just switched to the Android, which is kind of a good, but I always prefer to use iPhone because of the security, privacy, and smoothness, especially because of the iOS. And I am hoping that Apple may fix all these issues, and I did a couple of videos that can help you to fix battery draining issues too. Well, these were some of your questions which I picked from the comment section of the videos. If you still have any comment or any question, just drop in the comment section below. You can also hit me on Twitter at the iOS guy 101. We can talk, I'm always here to solve your problems. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.